sa atong tanan-tanan ng mga tao to destroy all those breeding areas.
There was an appeal, actually an observation coming from the residents. For example, they will call on their HWB to assist them with a situation like call for a fogging operation, tatapulutan or mismo nila yun. However, we are, we are constituted by a process.
Yes, okay. Once ginapabalo sa BHW, ginapabalo na direct sa health center. The health center will coordinate with the city health office. If there is only one case of dengue, kailangan investigate where did it come from. Diba sinamigpit yan from the other end, nagsulog lang direct.
School, community, etc.
So, amo na siya ang ginimo. So, iniya, because ang cases were already lapit-lapit na rin within the area. One house naman pa na patay. And, ang ako lang tani, ipakuan ko sa mga tao, if may hilana ang kamataan, o 5 man na nila, patsak nila. Hindi pa kamalayan, tulog trangkaso. We don't know kung ano ang ginagay ninyo ng sakit.
Weather lang nga.
Change of weather. Why siya balong ginakagat sa permission lang mo. Why siya balong? Manginuman, there was a case here. Nagikuha naman sa hospital. Positive pa sa COVID. Positive sa COVID. So there is still COVID na real. So we have to be very careful. Even in tuberculosis not only. Some of them are defaulters. They carry the virus. Pwede mapasa. So careful kita. We have, kung kita ang masakit, kailangan kita mismo ang protection sa katautan natin. We have to have that decency and responsibility na hindi nato maratan.
So you have responsibility.
Yes. Kailangan hindi kita. Tawo mo na sila mo. Dalawang halitan to siya.
Others are not as well off.
Yes. So,
to seek for medication.
ang tanan ni masakit, doesn't say kung pigado kung magranon ka. It can hit you.
Okay. And the short message lang are you promising that, for example, they will call for as long as it demands and it needs urgent action? Sense of urgency for fogging, for clearing.
Practically, I like this. With regards to the fogging, practically parang gagawin ng gastos ng fuel. Because I think though, kaya pang fuel sa city, sila mo, call mo fuel sa mga para masiki na tayo. So, hindi pa kayo sila din, pinapatay. Immediate. Well, just give me a letter para ma-formalize ko kag matapik ko kung ikas mo na yung COA, request. So, there's not a problem. With regards to fogging, there is only a protocol which the city health office